ongoing support. So like things to grow your business that are really important, like things that I started to grow my business, is started a podcast. Didn't cost a lot, just took a lot of time and a lot of learning. I have Audible. I listen to all kinds of books and TED Talks, and I'm kind of a nerd. Like Emma and MailChimp, like if you want to start like a newsletter or build an email list, like now we use Infusionsoft, but we used to use those things. Slack is really good for quick communication. And then y'all, I have a ton of free resources. Like now, every month, Aja goes through and we do like free coaching for one person every month that we see potential in. Like they're really creative, but you can just tell, no offense, like they don't know business, but they have a shit ton of potential. And so I want to take them, spend a little bit of time with them, give them the hashtag Angela SOS deal, right? I have a ton of free videos. All my podcasts, it's called Weddings Unveiled. It's free. My new book, The Power of 3 Ps, is based off version of mainly how to deal with business and business owners. There's some back there. And then we are going to launch this membership program. And so they'll get access to like all the books, all the videos, because I have a paid video series too. I will have a private Facebook group, but that's not where I'm going to house my content at all. So I'm trying to do more group stuff because a lot of newer planners are planners that have a full-time job and they're transitioning. Y'all, I was there once too. I want to make it affordable and give some guidance. Some people, they'll make more money off of it and then they'll save money, reinvest, and just keep moving up, which is what I've learned to do.